Today I'm sharing tips on how to have a memorable birthday party celebration that's fun, unique, but still manageable and doesn't require an event team to execute. The first tip is to find the right venue. If you're hosting an intimate celebration, you don't want a space that's going to be too large, too big, and feel impersonable. I always suggest a restaurant with a private dining space. You often avoid large rental fees and have the advantage of access to conveniences that make hosting an event easier, like tables and chairs, play settings, service staff, and of course, great food and cocktails. Number 2, invite your guests. Electronic invites allow for convenience, but nothing sets the tone or make your guests feel special like a beautifully designed invitation. You can communicate not only the event details, but also share dress attire and parking information. And to make it easier for your guests to RSVP, still feel free to have them respond electronically. My third tip, choose your colors and maybe a theme. Today's event is all about bold black and red and a pop of gold. I usually focus on colors or a design element that I love and details that will bring the personality of the guest of honor to life. I like a cleverly themed party, but I try to stay away anything that's going to be too cheesy or overly done. Number 4, select your menu. What's wonderful about being at a restaurant for a party is you can choose from an assortment that will work for all of your guests' dietary needs. Today we're at Cooks and Soldiers and they have a fabulous tapas menu or small plates. It allows you to offer a variety of foods that can be served over several courses and guests get to sample a little bit of everything. When it comes to selecting your cocktails or wine, ask the chef or a bartender what they would suggest to pair well with your menu. Then you can limit your guest choices by pre-selecting cocktails that go well with the menu. Number 5, decide how you're going to entertain your guests. At a minimum, setting the mood with music adds so much to the ambiance of hosting an event. Ask your venue if they have an in-house sound system that you can pre-select a Spotify station or plug in your own device to play music. Another alternative would be hiring one instrument like a guitarist or a sax to instantly take the party to another level at minimal cost. If you follow these tips, I guarantee you'll cover all the bases for a birthday celebration that's still elevated but fun. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, remember to dream, love, and celebrate life.